All my dear students of class 8th, I am on lecture 3, computer class 8, chapter number 1, number system. Chapter number 1 is number system. I hope you remember my lecture number 2. In my lecture number 2, I taught you many things. And after that, conversion from decimal to binary and binary to decimal. You have already done that. And I wrote examples, I solved questions. So now, this is the time for conversion from decimal to octal and octal to decimal. Did you remember? I taught you 4 number systems: decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. Decimal number system is base power 10, binary number system base power 2, octal base power 8 and hexadecimal base power 16. This is what I have already taught you. Now pay your attention towards the conversion from decimal to octal and octal to decimal. Read the question. Convert decimal number 1769 into octal and also verify your answer. So, what we will do? Write the number over here, 1769, and divide it by 8. Why 8? Answer is that because we want to convert the decimal number into octal and the base power of octal is 8. That's why we will divide this decimal number by the base power of octal, which is 8. Divide it now. I am doing it in front of you. 8 to the 16. 1 divided 16. 8 to the 16. Nothing left. 9. 8 on the 8. 1 remainder. And so on. Do it by yourself. I hope you can do it easily. You are in class 8. It's very easy. So, when you will divide it by 8, the answer will be over here 1 left, 5 left, 3 left, and MSB, LSB. We will start writing from MSB to LSB. Did you remember what does it mean by MSB and LSB? MSB most significant bit, LSB least significant bit. So start writing from MSB. Answer will be 3, 5, 1. So decimal number to 3351. Base power 8. Student, remember this thing. I am saying over here, very important, what I am saying. I am saying over here 1769, but I am saying over here 3351 base power 8. I cannot say that 3351. No, not at all. This is not 3351. No, it is written as 3351 base power 8. So this is the answer. Decimal number 1769 equals to 3351 octal. Now verify your answer or verify your result. It means, let's see, have we done this question correct or wrong? How will we notice for that? Verification. So have a look now. Verification. 3351 octal. Base power 8 means octal. What will be equivalent in decimal number? Solution. Write this number over here. 3351. See over here. 3351. I told you in my lecture number 2. It's power 0, it's power 1, power 2, power 3. So first of all, this 3 multiplied by 8 raised to the power 3. Why multiply by 8? The reason is that it's octal number. And we are converting this octal number into decimal. Plus, this 3 will come over here, multiply by 8 raised to the power 2 plus 5 multiply by 8 raised to the power 1 plus 1 multiply by 8 raised to the power 0. Dear student, did you remember that any digit raised to the power 0 always equals to 1. 8 raised to the power 0 equal to 1. Next step. 3 multiplied by 8 raised to the power 3. Look, 8 into 8 into 8. This is 8 raised to the power 3. See? 8 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8 into 8 into 8. Now calculate. 8 8s are 64 and 64 8s are 512. So it will be 8 raised to the power 3 will be 512. So it will be 3 multiplied by 512 plus 3 multiplied by 8 raised to the power 2. 8 raised to the power 2, 8 8s are 64. So it will be 3 multiplied by 64 plus 5 into 8 raised to the power 1. 8 raised to the power 1 is always equal to 8 plus 1 multiplied by 8 raised to the power 0, it will be 1. So it will be 1 into 1. Understand? I am not running very fast. I am very slow. So take care of it and try to understand it. Next step. 3 multiplied by 512. When you will multiply 3 multiplied by 512, the answer will be 1536. You do it by yourself. You understand these all the calculations, and now you can do it easily by yourself. If you will calculate that, so see, after doing all the things in the same way as I have done in front of you, it will be 1769 and it is verified. So, clear? Now I am coming on hexadecimal. Convert decimal 6958 into hexa and verify your answer. See, write this thing over here, divided by 16, because hexadecimal has base power 16. It will be 434 and remainder 14. But we will not write 14. Why? 14 equals to E. So we will write E. Now, in the same way, over here, divide 27 by 16. 1 left 11. So B. So answer will be 1B to E. I hope you understand that. Now, as far as the verification of this thing is concerned, look at the board now. This is your homework. You will have to look into this question and try to solve it by yourself. If you have any difficulty in it, write me your comments.